Uh, Everyone loves to see a seabird. A seabird tells you that you're by the sea. Without seeing a seabird, would the sea be visible to me? I'm sure that it would. The seabird needs the sea to be understood. No one needs to see a land bird. That's just not so interesting. And why? 'Cause if you'd only seen a land bird, you'd assume that birds just couldn't fly. And yes, it's true that most birds squawk, but most birds are famed for flying, not their walk. Everyone has seen a sky bird. That is just kind of where birds are. Without the sky bird, the bird definition wouldn't go far. I guess you'd say they have feathers, and they tend to have 2 feet. If I was any bird, I guess you'd say that I would be a swan. Not because I am elegant, but my neck is just a little long. Oh, at least I'm not a duck, always wallowing in swamps and their mud.